adorable cat. Today with the famous Orange the cat. Where are you off to? You just give me some scratches. How about I give you some pets? You're a good baby. 10 weeks old. Ever seen a cat that hates hoodie strings as much as my cat? What? This is orange cat behavior. So as you guys know, for the Orange and Grayscale channel, you've seen Orange. Now here's Grayscale, trying to run. But this cute baby is 8 weeks old. Love him. Alright, look at this baby just walking around. She's seeing all the new things. Like my bookshelf. Psst, psst, psst. Why are you meowing at my bookshelf? Most cats will usually freak out when you're holding them. This is the most lenient cat out there. It doesn't move. It just wants to go along for the ride. Love you, Grayscale. Good lap, buddy. Always have the fluffiest baby out there. Come on. You love pets. Someone loves belly rubs when they just let you do this. Not even really fighting you on it. It's a good baby right there. Also is a little very tired. Baby. Literal baby. I coddled it. I love you. Realistic Orange. See, that orange has got a really weird stem. Never mind, it's just a place for zombies that this guy likes to attack. You don't realize how big a bucket hat is until you put a cat in it. Also, my cat just hates bucket hats. I tried showing my cat the concept of orange. All he does is he wants to attack it. Then I show him William of Orange. He doesn't care. Look at them, the siblings in one video together. Exploring. Wondering what the heck markers are. Fun fact of the day. Both of these cats freaking hate boxes. And each other. In the left corner and they're already fighting. Don't walk away like you didn't just suplex her. I don't know why they're fighting. I thought it was a joke, but who wins? What's potentially a Maine Coon? Or an orange? Fighting again! It's been like 1 minute, dude. You know, punishment pineapple. I think all I have to say is, for those who don't know who's older, Orange is older than Grayscale. Orange is 10 weeks, Grayscale is 8. Yet, Orange is smaller than Grayscale. So, this cat likes being on my shoulder. That's it. Today with these two, adorable as ever, and hey, for once they're not killing each other. That's good news, but they're both licking themselves. He just likes biting me, doesn't he? There's that one over there that doesn't. Cereal's really weird. Why is my cereal running? And what are you doing?
Paychecks would even be enough to pay for that anyways, so let's really try to prevent that from happening, shall we? If Bonnie chooses to attack your left door,
A cloud of kitten snapping is adorable. And it always will be. Look at this baby. Tiny. And this wouldn't stop meowing at my door for the last 5 minutes. It's a fluff on the fluff. It's morning. You know who too won't leave me alone? That one and that one. It's on the yellow. Also, she keeps ramming her head into my phone. She loves the pets. Is it normal for my cat to think she's lunch? Like her brother is also trying to be lunch. What is wrong with them? Just some good old fun here. Just walking in the nights. Orange hates scrunchies. Give it back. Why do you hate scrunchies so much? Tried showing Grayscale. Grayscale. She doesn't care. Then I show her William of Grayscale. She also doesn't care. Pineapple. This is my lunch today, and where's my lunch going? I know I've done this joke before, but still adorable. You're adorable. Deodorant keeps you fresh at night. Side effect, it might have a cat inside. Biting my feet, bro? What is wrong with you? This cat does not know how to use a TV remote. Look. Teaser time. Ooh. No, this one just doesn't care. Playing with a cat teaser. Orange also likes the stick. I think he's part dog.